So the vanity is finally complete. I'm really excited with the way it turned out. The paint here is called Cotton Blossom. I feel so bad I forgot to take a shot of this vanity before I painted it. But yeah, it was just like a dark wood stain, antique, and I painted it white. Looks pretty good. So we're just trying to figure out here what knobs to put on it.
So that's the piece, as opposed to having the original in here, right? Not as clean as this one.
So I actually ended up going with the original knobs. I think they look a lot better, the contrast. Thank you, Mom, for convincing me. So the first step before we get started, I want to wipe down and clean the space before we get organized.
Hey friends, how's it going? I just finished doing some chores this morning and I'm really excited to dive into this project I have going on this afternoon. I'm going to organize and set up this pretty vanity behind me. So I just finished painting it and I loved how it turned out. So this is the paint, it's called Cotton Blossom from Home Depot. So pretty, I love it. This is one of my favorite furniture pieces we have in the house so far. So if you don't already know, we just moved into this house a few months ago and we're still trying to get organized, buy furniture, and it takes time. We don't want to rush the process. But yeah, today, this will be a fun afternoon. We're just getting the vanity set up, so it'll be a really fun, girly kind of project. Because I just got some pieces in to set it up. So yeah, I'll take you through what I'm gonna do and how I'll set it up. So without further ado, let's get to it.
So I did purchase some plastic organizers in different varieties, shapes, and styles for all the different makeup pieces I'll be organizing in the vanity. These are actually from AliExpress. They have some really good deals for all different types of plastic organizers. So in this vanity, I will be organizing mainly my makeup, a lot of makeup products, and a really small washroom. So this is really good space to organize my makeup and also to sit down and to do my makeup every morning. So here I purchased a few of the lipstick containers. I've got so many lipsticks. So I thought these would be really good to organize like at the top drawer so they're easy to access. So many colors. So I hope these are enough, have enough products to organize all the lipsticks. So under the lipstick drawer, I'll probably put the compacts or the different palettes. So I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes and bronzer palettes and blush palettes. I think this is a good space to organize them all using this little compact organizer. It's really cool.
Everyone meet Chino. He's the newest member of our family. It's a lot of energy. Keeps us busy. We got a helper. Yeah. He's great help, but not so much help. Who's there? Don't do anything bad, Chino. So I got this cool stool from Wayfair. I love it. It looks almost vintage, like mid-century, very luxe. It's a beautiful vanity stool. And I think it swivels too. Yeah, it swivels as well. Fantastic. I love it. It's cozy looking. And it matches perfectly.
This little candy container is so cute. I just had to include it in this video. I thought the vanity would be perfect for it. Put little cotton balls in there and Q-tips. Got this piece from Amazon. I believe I spent around $16 on this. I was hoping it would be a little bigger, but it's still super cute. And it works really well here. I'm also including this candle because I want this vanity to look really romantic and almost vintage-like. So I have this brass candlestick and of course a pink candle. Tie it all together. And of course I had to add this photo from our engagement photo shoot. I guess I need to update this now that we're married. And I have my wedding photos, but yes, I love this. This photo frame was actually a gift to us from a friend of ours. She actually made this in her Cricut machine, which is amazing. So yes, I love this photo. Daniel looks like a model here too. He looks really good. And he actually dressed up. And of course, we need a jewelry tray. This one says Miss. It's actually a gift from my friends. I was using it to put pastries on it and macaroons, and they said, no, Tiff, it's a jewelry tray. And I was like, oh, so yes, this little plate belongs here. I just can't figure out for the life of me how to style these 3 pieces together. This is when you need like a designer expertise, but I think I'm gonna figure it out.
What did you do to my slipper? Now you want the other one? That's not fair. Chino! Not nice. Chino!
And of course I had to include a bracelet that I made. This one is a Muki seed bead bracelet that I recently made. I believe I have a video on this one as well. So every September I look forward to buying the Vogue September issue. Just something I love doing and just flipping through the book and getting inspired for new projects. I'm so excited this vanity is finally painted and set up. It's so nice to have a separate place to do your makeup. I'm so excited to start using this space. I know this was a different video, but I hope you still enjoyed it. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.